Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to create a floor plan. So you can click new and I will choose the AutoCAD ISO.DWT template. The next I will create a rectangle with dimension 4000 and the next for width 3000. After it you can use the offset command, can set the offset distance into 150. Click the rectangle and click inside. I will create line again. Start from this point, you can sort, move to the bottom, and I will set into minus 1700. Press enter. Next, I will move to the left, 1500. Enter again, and then click in the bottom here. You can combine these two lines by using a join command. You can type join, select the objects, and enter again. Now we can offset with offset distance 150. Select the lines and then select inside. Use the rectangle command. I will create rectangles in the corner of this wall. Can create one by one. And after it, I will insert the furniture into these floor plans. But if you want to create for patterns, first you can tap hatch, press enter, and will be show for the hatch creation. So in there I will use solid and change the color like into this color gray. You can click in the rectangle in the corner of the wall. If you don't, you can click close hatch creation. Now to insert furniture, you can type insert, press enter, and search for your furniture. You can go to libraries, click on open block libraries, and open from your document. So in there we'll use the reason, like I will set door in this position. The next again door in here for toilet, and the next for the shower. Okay, the other for the table, small table, and then for bed. Oh, this is for the cupboard, and the next another furniture. This is for the tables with TV, and the last we can set insert for the kitchen. Okay, in here I will use trim command to cut the line, and I will cut in here. So now I will delete again this hatch because we cut at this option. The hatch will be moved into the inside. So we create again another hatch. You can type hatch, press enter, and then we set again solid, select on the corner, press enter, and the next I will hatch again with the ANSI 31. Set color, like I will set into this color or orange, and I will click in these objects. Okay. Click one by one. After it, you can change for scales, like I will set into 15. So this is for the 15 for scale. And if you don't, you can click close hatch creation. For the dimension, you can type D to open dimension style manager. And I will use notative. So you can click set current. Click modify. So I will change only for the color. Okay, here I will set into red for the lines dimension. And for symbol arrows, you can set into architectural tick. And for text, I will set color into a sign. If you done, click OK. You can go also into primary units and I will set precision into 0. Click OK again. Click close. Now I will set for the scale, dimension scale. You can click in the status bar in here. I will set into 150, and you can tap dim line to create a dimension linear. I will click from this corner to here. Okay, we create again, and the next from the corner into the corner. The next in the rack here. Can select, and then corner from corner in the top, and the last in the left. Okay, that's it for a basic AutoCAD tutorial, how to create simple floor plans with a dimension for thousands x 3000 method. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.